Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a paper airplane, just like I did this one, like this one. So today we're gonna try to make a paper airplane. So first, what you have to do is fold it and try to fold it in half equally. Mine didn't come out pretty well, but it is okay. Then you take one corner and do it like this, and the other corner and do it like this.
I won the main airport. I won the battle.
And then
Look, I won the cookies.
And then you see, this is how you. This is.
Anton, look, I won.
See how this? You fold it like this.
Wait, they have to.
Then you have to take this corner. Do this. This. Then you have to see that. Do that. This. Like this. That. Okay, actually that didn't come out good. I'll have to retry this.
Make it equally. Make it so it was equal.
Mine didn't come out that equal. And then do it like this. Like this. And it's ready. Now let's go test it out.
I might have done the winch wrong. Oh my gosh, it flies so good. Let's look at it.
You see, even though I didn't make it that even, it flies so good. Like that.
Thanks for watching.
And then this.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for